Next is the 1934 Ford Model 40 pickup, gold over black, 382 cubic inch, 3.2-barrel V8, Ross Racing aluminum heads, 3-speed manual, Curry axle, hidden front disc brakes. I don't even know, what does that mean?
Hidden front disc? Yeah. I have no idea what that means.
They're in the back.
Yeah, so you wouldn't think to look for the front disc brakes in the back.
Well,
Tricky.
Thinking maybe inboard, but that would say inboard if they were inboard.
It's podcast at classicautomall.com.
Yeah, please.
I didn't write that, so I don't know.
Oh.
If you know, let us know.
Yeah, let us know. So we're not completely out of the loop.
Right.
We'd like to stay in the loop as much as we can.